part 7, taking your finished chair to a drawing. So first off, I'm going to save mine because I haven't saved mine for a while. There's save. Now we're going to go design and drawing from design. Now, if you have not got or have a new template in here, you're going to watch the other tutorial that's listed after this to actually get your title block in. So I'm going to pick the new title block, click on OK, and basically we're going to bring in our chair into our new drawing title block. Okay, and it'll just take a second to come up. And once it comes up, we'll be going. So there we go. So the new one now looks like this. Okay, now the chair, I don't like that one. So I'm going to go to, let's see, right. How's right look? No, we're going to go from top. There's top. Sure, we can do that one. Or we can go right view. No, left view. You can see how this can be confusing sometimes. Bottom. No. So if we got bottom. Anyways, you're going to find that some of these might not work. So back. No. So we're going to have to just go with the good old, what did I say? Bottom view? There we go. Bottom view. And the view of the size of this is too small. So 1/16. No, we're going to go 1:8. Okay, that's a nice size. So we're going to start with this one right here. Okay, and we're going to click on OK. And then from there, what we're going to do is we're going to make a projected view this way. Okay, there's our front looking view like that, our view like that, and finally up in the corner, click on OK. And what we're going to do is double this, double click it, and we're going to go 1:16 to make it a bit smaller. Whoops, 1:16, not 1:6. And that goes up in the corner. Okay, so this can move up in the corner now. We have our different views, and you can go and dimension it from here. Interesting that some of the lines don't show up, but it is what it is. Okay, and finally, dimensioning it, dimension. So what do we need to know? We need to know the height of this leg from here to here. Right, now I'm going to do it the right way. So basically, because there's a curve there, we're going to go at the back, go there, bring it out. Okay, we're going to take this dimension here, come down. Now you see 14.5, we can actually change that to fractions. So we can come up here to document settings and dimension units. And over here, the units are in decimal. We can change that to fractional. Click OK, now you can see it's 14.5, right? And we can just continue around here and say, okay, well, we probably need to know the height from there to there, right? That one will just hit escape. This one here, we're going to move it and put it right down. Maybe we'll put it over there. Okay, we need to know the width of these. So we're going to do that. Sure, we'll do that in this one. So we'll go from here to there, and we'll put that one out there. Okay, we're going to need the whole height of the chair. So I'm going to put it this one from here all the way up to the top, right? 33. We're going to need to know the width this way. So there's 16. Right, we're going to need, what else are we going to need? We're going to need the thickness, right, of the material. So I'm just going to put it right here. There we go. And you can see how we continue to do this, right? So you're just going to continue making and doing all the dimensions here. This one goes from there, goes 6, right? You might want to know the gap here or the radius of these ones, but basically from here to right there, when we come that way, is 7.5, right? And finally, we probably want to know the width of this. So this one right here. So put that right, we're going to put that right over top of that one, see if that one does pretty good right there. There we go. So that's basically almost the dimensions of everything we need. And you're going to save it, print it out, and then you're on to the last part. And make sure I check it to make sure it's all right. So that concludes the tutorial series on doing chairs.